Hey Brother Nickel, this is Ben Wood and this is my final. I'm going to go ahead and run my microprocessor with all of the commands in the prompt for you. So as you can see, it is functioning properly. We have a text printout, an addition, and multiplication, software subtraction, hardware subtraction. If we actually dive into the machine code, we actually have each of those commands take up 2 lines here in the hex editor. So these first 2 lines are our text output. Second set of lines are our addition. This next set of lines is our multiplication with a series of adding 3's to an accumulated total. This next set of 2 is our software subtraction, where we're actually loading a 1 and a series of 4 ones into our bitwise XOR, which is here with the 90 command. We add a 1 to create a 2's complement, then we're actually adding a 4 to all of that and then outputting it. And then we have our hardware subtract here, which is commanded with this A0 command. If we actually go back to main, we can see my main microprocessor. We have my ALU, and on my ALU we have this control right here, this input, which is our hardware subtract input. It's feeding into my 4-bit full adder up here through a tunnel. In the 4-bit full adder, we see that control here as well with a carry-in bit, and then it's actually performing some input forming logic on our inputs from our second register. And then just going over our subcircuits and components, I have my 2-word 4-bit register, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise AND, my full adder with carry-in, my 1-bit loadable register. Thanks so much for this class. I've really appreciated it, and I hope you have a good day.